Hello everybody, welcome to my 7th birthday party. We're having to do voiceovers because our microphone broke on the vlog. We're sat in the car getting ready to go over to our party. We're all in dressed as princes and pirates. Let's go! Let's go and get ready for the party. The bouncy castle guy has just turned up. Let's watch them put up the bouncy castle. What do you reckon it's gonna be? Comment down below and guess, and do not fast forward, cheaters. You should have guessed by now. It's a horse and cart for princesses. I hope you guessed it right. There's me, jumping on it for the first time. Woohoo! Let me take you around the tour. Here's a curtain, here's a princess, and here's a prince. Then there's a slide with stuff on it, especially with horses. This is fun, let's do it again. Look how cool this cart is. Oopsie, you fell over. Watch me go down the slide. Woo! Let's go inside and have a look. Let's go help Dad do the balloons. Look at all of the balloons in the ball pit. We need to do all those balloons. Wow, that's a lot. Wow, that's loads of balloons. That must be 100 in there at least. Hope my dad doesn't hurt his fingers. Oh, just one left. Wow, that was quick. Wow, there's a lot of balloons in there. Hope my dad didn't hurt his finger. Whoa, look at my birthday girl badge. Where should we go next? I chose one, the cafeteria. Oh look, they're singing me happy birthday.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, beautiful.
Thanks everyone, that was lovely. Oh look, my mum's going to bring my cake to cut and to put in my birthday bags for all these lovely people. Oh look, also for these little babies. I got 2. Hey Esme. There's me, the head of the table. All of my lovely gifts, thank you once again. Under the ocean we go. Oh yeah, my dad was making some balloon animals and we had switch games and any else games you could think of, obviously. Oh, this was fun. There's a slipping slide and an air track and it bounced really high. So let's head out, back outside. This was a tattoo station. Everyone got very glittery. Even my sister and my friend did it. But we did them too, to get them back. Oh yeah, we got a skittle game and obviously outside with the bouncy, glittery thingy. This is my dad about to go on the bouncy castle. He's very weird with the tire falling off. Dad, you should have gone down the slide. You're very naughty. Here we are back in the cafeteria. Oh, there's Esme's little foot. Look at all of this lovely food. Yummy, there's Pringles. Tip Tops too because it was very hot, like boiling. There she is, my beautiful cake with my crown. Thank you, Polly, for my lovely cake. Hey, Birdie, you eat so much like Esme. There's Esme, she's eating a Tip Top. Switch time to party games and people are in the bouncy balloon place. Giving everyone a goodie bag of... What's a party without goodie bags? Oh look, there's someone wrote happy birthday Laci on the whiteboard. Dad made me a unicorn balloon which nearly collapsed 10 times. Oh no, they depleted my carriage! How am I going to get back home? Hello everyone, here I am. Now I'm 7 in my castle with my unicorn doing backflips. I've had a fantastic party. Thank you everyone for coming. Love you. Ooh, I just did a backflip and I jumped back over. I can't believe I did that. And now we are in the back of the car, ready to go back home. And now I'm covered in bags. I've had a lovely party, but I'm very tired and I feel like I need to go back to bed. Once again, I love you all. Hope you have a great day. I rode icicles off my arm whilst I was playing. Oh my god! I see a unicorn! Once again, Delilah had them all around her face. Like, what? Why are we at Nanny's, by the way, Dad? And, oh my gosh, look at that black cloud. That's where I saw the unicorn. Looks like we ended the party at the right time, but also halfway through the party it did start raining. Now we're back at home, unpacked, but hope you guys like me opening my presents. I hope you watch it and I hope you like it. I had so many gifts I'm overwhelmed, we had to pack them up somewhere. Thank you all again so much. Because it's my birthday, I want to sing happy birthday again, only because I wanted to make another wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Laci. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Well done.
You can't say.
Back to my present opening. Present opening's more fun. I wonder what this is, but I know it's from one of my friends who I love. Woo! I love it. I wonder what this one is. It's a beautiful cloak. I was meant to wear it for the party, but it didn't go with my outfit. So I'll wear it now instead. And I'll wear this all the time.
What are they? Lip thingamabobbies.
Yeah, they're for your lips. I don't know what they're called though.
So,
But I think they're all over YouTube.
lip balm is raspberry and banana.
Can't wait to be able.
Can I see them?
No, it's mine.
Oh, sorry. They're quite cool actually. Can I see them?
Cards next.
The lip thingamabobbies that she's always wanted.
I have.
So, Dad realised that our mic was broken, so he fixed it, and this is my end of my voiceover. I hope you like it. This is my second time doing it by myself. Love you all. Thanks again. Push all. Thank you for watching my 7th birthday and my video montage. Make sure to go and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. 3, 2, 1, BAM! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.